This is just dirt, right? There's nothing going on inside of it. The real story of soil is much different. Soil is a living, dynamic, natural resource. It helps us grow food, fiber, and fuel. But it doesn't do its job alone. Soil's home to more creatures than you'd believe.
Have you ever seen a gopher dig a hole in the soil? What about burrowing owls or gopher tortoises? And moles live most of their life underground in the soil.
These larger animals depend on soil for protection. They make their homes there. The soil protects them from weather and predators.
And you've probably seen earthworms come out of the soil after a long rainstorm. Their homes were flooded.
Earthworms are nature's plow, active in turning, mixing, and aerating the soil.
The burrows of earthworms act like large pores that allow water from rain and melting snow to infiltrate into the soil, instead of running off and causing erosion.
Ants are amazing creatures that live in soils.
They make some awesome tunnels, with areas called chambers that act as living rooms and kitchens.
Workers in ant colonies are constantly building their nests to accommodate their growing numbers.
While they do this, they make pores in the soil that help plants get air and water for growing.
But the greatest number of living creatures in soils are those you can't see with the human eye.
Although small, the activity of these organisms is vital for life as we know it. And there are more microbes in one handful of soil than there are humans on the earth. Microbes, like bacteria and fungi, depend on soil for their homes. And they give back to the soil too. These microbes decompose organic matter in the soil, returning nutrients to the soil that plants can use. They aid in the weathering of rocks and minerals, which release important nutrients for plant growth. Microbes even live in root nodules found on some plants and help these plants process nitrogen to use as food. In return, the plant provides sugar to the microbes. What a happy relationship!
From large to small, living creatures that depend on soil also return something to the soil. It's a beneficial relationship. This biodiversity of life in soil is critical to healthy soil and a healthy world. Humans need to respect the soils too, and the creatures that depend on them. They provide our food, our homes, and even our fun. Soils sustain life.